Welcome to The Explainer. So, do you ever feel like you're falling behind in this whole AI race? Well, stick around. Today, we're not just going to talk about AI tools. We are building you a personal toolkit that's going to give you a serious and, almost unfair advantage.
Okay, let's just be honest for a second. With a new AI tool launching what feels like every 5 minutes, it's not just easy to feel overwhelmed, it's pretty much impossible not to. The big question is, which ones are actual game changers and which ones are just noise?
Well, we've done the hard work for you. In this explainer, we have sifted through hundreds of options and put together a seriously powerful toolkit of expert-approved AI so you can start building your advantage the second this is over.
To make sense of it all, we've organized the most impactful tools out there into 3 key categories. Think of this as a simple framework to help you see exactly where AI can fit into your life.
So we're going to explore 3 key areas. First up, tools that can supercharge your productivity, literally giving you hours back in your week. Then we'll look at tools that unleash your creativity, basically putting a full production studio right at your fingertips. And finally, we've got tools to accelerate your learning, turning you into an expert on almost any topic and fast.
First up, let's look at the tools that are designed to claw back your time and streamline your daily tasks, both at work and, just in life.
Okay, forget your phone's standard dictation app. This is completely different. Whisperflow is an AI that understands your intent, not just the literal words you're saying. It figures out what you meant to say, which is kind of magic.
And this is the perfect example of its power. It takes your messy, rambling thoughts and just turns them into perfectly clean text. You can use it for emails, messages, or even for writing complex prompts for other AI tools. Now for the really heavy lifting. Platforms like N8N lets you connect different AI tools to create your own automated workflows. So imagine this, you drop a rough script into a folder and an AI automatically pulls out the key points, drafts a whole newsletter, and saves it for you to review. That's the kind of complex task this can handle, saving you hours and hours.
And this automation isn't just for content. Take sales or networking. There are specialized tools like Instantly and Apollo that use AI to handle huge outreach campaigns. We're talking booking 10, 15 client calls per trip, all while making sure the messages still feel personal. Even something as simple as taking meeting notes is getting a massive upgrade. Granola is a fantastic example because it works invisibly in the background. It just uses your system's audio instead of having some intrusive bot join your call that, let's face it, people are starting to block anyway.
All right, saving time is great, but what about creating things completely from scratch? Let's get into the Creative Suite. These tools are fundamentally changing how content gets made, turning pretty much anyone into a one-person studio.
This is wild. You can now create a complete digital version of yourself. HeyGen handles the visual avatar from just a 5-minute video of you talking, and 11 Labs recreates your voice with absolutely stunning accuracy.
And here's where it gets really powerful. You start stacking these tools together. You combine your HeyGen visual avatar with your 11 Labs voice clone, and suddenly you can generate brand new video content on demand, saving an absolutely incredible amount of time. So what about the soundtrack for all your new videos? Well, for any creator out there, Suno is a total lifesaver. It generates high-quality, custom background music from just a simple text prompt. This completely eliminates copyright strikes and, of course, the need for expensive music subscriptions. Game changer. And this creative stack goes way beyond just you. Need some B-roll footage? Google's Voodoo.io can take a static AI-generated image, like this coffee mug, and just bring it to life. It generates a professional, high-definition video clip from nothing more than a simple text description.
Okay. Instant genius might be a bit of a stretch, but these next tools can seriously make you the smartest person in the room on almost any topic. They act like your own personal research assistant, helping you learn and understand complex information at lightning speed. Praised by nearly every expert we looked at, Notebook LM is maybe the most underrated AI tool out there right now. You just dump in all your sources, PDFs, videos, your notes, and it transforms all that material into multiple learning formats for you. It can create a podcast, a mind map, even a practice quiz. Now, when you need the absolute latest, most up-to-the-minute information, Perplexity is way more powerful than a traditional search engine. It gives you direct, conversational answers, and this is key, it shows you exactly where it got the information.
And its versatility is what really makes it a superpower. Seriously, 1 minute it can be doing deep competitor analysis on a website, the next it can be handling simple life admin tasks like automatically unsubscribing you from every single promo email in your inbox.
So here's the real secret to all of this. It's not about using every single tool we've talked about. The magic really happens when you combine a select few to create your own personal AI stack, a custom workflow that gives you that unfair advantage we mentioned.
Just think about it for a second. You can build a personalized system that acts as your dedicated research team, your on-demand creative studio, and your tireless productivity engine. It's all right here, just waiting for you to connect the pieces.
As one expert puts it so powerfully, you no longer have an excuse. The tools are here. They are ridiculously powerful, and so many of them are completely free to start using today. The factory is officially open.
So, you now have the secret stack that the pros are using. The only real question left is, what are you going to build with it?